Hi there, welcome to class. Welcome. I'm Miss Faust. Please make sure you take out that paper from last class session, the one on the punctuation review, because we're going to have punctuation review day 2 today. Yes, so you might as well use the same sheet. It's fantastic. Don't get out another sheet of paper. Put everything on that one sheet of paper. Okay? As I said, punctuation review day 2. Now, I would like to remind you that next class session, we are going to have a punctuation, no, not review, but punctuation test. So between now and then, get yourselves ready. Now, don't forget, it will cover only 3 of the 6 major punctuation marks. It will cover the comma, okay, and the semicolon. Okay, and today we'll talk about the colon. So it will also cover the colon. So please remember that. Only those 3 punctuation marks. So review. Go back over the notes on the comma, how we use the comma, okay? And how we use the semicolon. If you have any questions, please contact me. Reach out to me, and I'll be happy to help you. Okay? So follow me to the board. As I said, we'll cover the colon today. Okay, and this is what the colon looks like. Just to remind everyone, the 2 periods. Yes, that's right, 2 periods. Now, when we think about the colon, last class session, we said items in a series. Okay, it's also seen as a list, but the colon has officially taken over that. It has the list. Okay, so one is more the items in a series, the other one is more the list, and that's the colon. Okay, everyone got that? Now with the colon, your list can have 2 items. You don't need 3, you don't need 4. All you need are 2 items. Okay, if you have more than 2, then the comma rule comes in and says, don't forget, comma. Okay? Ooh, here's an and. Don't forget that one comma before the and. All right? So, we'll take that out and we'll put and. So there's a comma, and, or. Okay? So with the colon, 2. All you need is this. 2 items, and you have a list. Okay, so does that make sense? Okay, so let's look at an example up here on the board. He bought tickets to 2 shows. Here comes your list. Okay, he bought tickets to 2 shows. That's a complete thought, isn't it? He bought tickets to 2 shows. You could actually just go, period. But we want more than just periods. Remember, period. Let's do a little bit of colon, a few commas, a semicolon, question mark, exclamation point. A little variety. Yes, exactly. Good. So we could do, he bought tickets to 2 shows, period. And then we'd have to take the names and we'd have to make a complete thought. Okay. But since we don't want the period, we want the colon, because we're going to explain what shows they are. We're going to give the list. Okay. So we do, he bought tickets to 2 shows, colon. Here we go, encircle that. Colon. And then the names, Hamilton and Oz. Those two shows. And we underline the shows. So Hamilton, Oz are underlined. So here's our list. Hamilton and Oz. And this list also explains which shows, doesn't it? Exactly. So the colon does a lot. Not just list, it also explains the list. Okay. Example. I need the following art supplies. What punctuation mark? Yes, colon. I need the following art supplies, colon. Construction paper, comma. Scissors, comma. Paint, comma. And glue sticks. Period. That's another example. Okay. Again, a list, construction paper, glue sticks, and all that, explaining which art supplies. Right. Now, I want you to understand that you could say this sentence in this form. The key words being the following. Whenever you see that, the following art supplies, like I was saying in mine, the following clothing articles, the following friends. That tells you colon. So very important. The following. Those are key. And I want you to be aware. Yes, you could write it like this, but you don't need the following for the colon to, be used. You don't need it. But for some of us, it might be nicer if we wrote our sentence this way. So I gave it to you. He bought tickets to the following two shows, Hamilton and Oz. Circle that colon. Okay. Thank you. He bought tickets to the following two shows, Hamilton and Oz. Also, the other one is as follows. If you see that or hear that, that tells you what? You're going to have your colon. Because you always want to explain what it is. The following what? Cookies? The following, pastries? The following malls? You want to tell the person the specific item. And then give the names, the list. Okay? He bought tickets to the following two shows. Or, he bought tickets to two shows. Which two shows? Here. Which two shows? There. Okay? Do you have any questions about that? If you do, you know how to reach me. Of course you do. Here's your assignment. Okay. Write two sentences using the colon. Two sentences. Okay? Look at my example, or perhaps you took down the example that I was saying. I need the following art supplies, colon. You could do something like that. Okay? I need the following art supplies. Okay, so you have these examples. You could do this version with the following or without. But I need you to come up with two sentences using the colon. Okay, two. And also, please answer this. What do you like daydreaming about? Hearing the phone ring. Nah, silly, huh? Silly Miss House. Okay. What do you like daydreaming about? We all like that moment where we're sitting and all of a sudden just daydreaming away. And people are going, Johnny, Johnny. And Johnny's just daydreaming away in a different land. Okay. Okay. If you have any questions about the assignment, the sentences, and then this question down here, contact me. Otherwise, be sure you send me the assignment as soon as you get it done today. And I wish you a fantastic day. Till next time. Bye-bye.